my YouTube family. Welcome back to Melda 242. If you're here for the first time, I am Melda. You are welcome and God bless you. So today, I'm preparing some steamed ground beef, white rice, quick and easy. Let's do it. I must say thank you to my subscribers right here, to you who are always coming back, my MVP. God bless you. And to my brand new subscribers, you are welcome. God bless you too. Oh, my viewers, you're still watching but haven't decided to subscribe us yet. Please subscribe and be sure to hit the notification bell. Select all so that you can be notified whenever I'm on with something new. God bless you and continue watching. Now remember family, my recipes are not gospel. Feel free to add, multiply, subtract or divide. God bless you. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the end. If you have enjoyed it, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up. Please share it out. Leave a comment. Please subscribe if you haven't already done so. And be sure to hit the notification bell. Select all so that you can be notified whenever I'm on with something new. Don't forget to check out the description box now. God bless you. And I will see you in the next one.